Hi there, law seekers. Today we look at the right or privilege to bear arms. It's midnight in a quiet American suburb. A homeowner sits up in bed. He hears the unmistakable sound of someone trying to break in. He's not a cop. He's not a hero. Just a regular guy. But tonight, he stands his ground. Why? Because this homeowner knows his rights, and he's ready to defend what's his. The armed criminals at his door. They realize they picked the wrong house. They run. Now picture this, same break-in but in broad daylight, somewhere else. Maybe Europe, maybe Asia or the Caribbean. The family inside, they panic. They scramble under beds, behind furniture, desperate and defenseless. The intruders, they're laughing. The difference is clear. In most countries, owning a gun is a privilege for the few, those who can prove they deserve it. For everyone else, protection is a roll of the dice. This is why the right to bear arms matters. And it's a right with a deep, complicated history. Back in 1181, the assize of arms in England actually required free men to own weapons, not just for themselves, but to defend their whole community. Fast forward to 1689, the English Bill of Rights says Protestants can keep arms for their defense. But it's in America where this right takes on a life of its own. The US Second Amendment, ratified in 1791, is clear. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. It's tested and clarified in landmark cases like District of Columbia and Heller. District of Columbia and Heller, the court says individuals have the right to possess firearms. McDonald and Chicago, that extends the right to every state and city. And just recently, in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association and Bruin, the court says you don't need a special reason to carry a gun in public. So why does this matter? Because in most of the world, gun ownership is tightly controlled. Getting a license, it's a bureaucratic nightmare. In some places, it's simply impossible unless you're rich, famous, or know the right people. For the privileged few, bearing arms is a license, not a right. But in the US, the right to bear arms isn't just law, it's culture. It's a statement that every free person has the right to stand their ground, to protect themselves, their home, their family. So, is it perfect? No. Is it controversial? Absolutely. But for millions of Americans, it's a matter of freedom, safety, and dignity. And that's something I believe every free person deserves. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay safe, and always know your rights. If you like content like this, share and subscribe for more.